Check out these sweet and spicy chili rice crisps from Quaker. It says they're gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup, low cholesterol per serving. So, all right, it's popped and never fried. Lots of carbs, low amount of protein. All kinds of stuff in there to make it stick together, probably. Not mold. Let's try that. See if it's any good. Okay. Yep. Salty. Fairly salty. Just like a rice cracker. You know, it's basically what they are. A rice crisp. So, yeah. It just tastes like a small version of a rice cracker. The sweet and spicy chili is pretty good. It's not as spicy as I'd like. I like a little more kick. So it's fairly mild. They're kind of crunchy. They're probably just the right amount of crunchy. They're actually a little bit slightly softer than a rice cracker. One of them big rice crackers. Pretty good though. Good snack. I think I could eat this whole bag, no problem. Probably not be too full when I'm done, but good little snack. Get some salt, sweet and spicy chili on your tongue. Kind of tastes like, if you've had them sweet and sour Doritos, it tastes a lot like that. A little less salty than those. Actually, those taste better. But the idea here, they're trying to, I guess, fool you into making these things, making you think these things are good for you. Which they might be in some sense. Better than other things. So, all right, yeah, pretty good. Would I buy them again? Maybe. I'd probably try something else out though first, but they're okay. Not too bad. All right. Thanks for watching.